Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Sushma.B.V, currently pursuing Master of Business Administration at Sri Venkateshwara Institute of Technology. In this video, I am discussing the topic called plowing back of profit. Let's know about the meaning of plowing back of profit. Plowing back of profit is also known as retained earnings. It is an retained earnings means refers to the practice of reinvesting in company's profit back without into the business rather than distributing them to the dividends or to the shareholders. This is a common strategy among companies looking to finance growth and expansion of operations and enhance their financial stability and without relying on external debit and equity financing. By reducing profit, business can further their activities with the utilization of retained earnings into the business. Concept and importance, expansion and growth. In thus, when a company blowing profit is portion of its earnings for future use, these retained earnings can be utilized in the business. In that expansion and growth, profit can be reinvested in the business for the further expansion and growth of the companies by utilizing the retained earnings in the business. Debit reduction, companies can use these retained earnings without depending on the debit and equity, improving their financial health. Research and development, research and development are used in is used in the innovation and product development and new technologies, which is crucial growth for the business. And contingency fund, companies can use this retained earnings at a period of uncertain events occurred in the business. It is helpful to the business without having loan and any debts and paying interest to the loans. And next is dividend smoothing, companies can retain earnings is profitable year to maintain dividend payment during less profitable periods. And benefits of paying back of profit is self-financing, the company can cost its activities without seeking external loans and investors, which helps maintain control over operations and decisions. And cost effective, internal financing retained earnings does not occur interest, because when using it in internal finance like retained earnings, it does not depend on paying interest to the loans and debits. And risk reduction, by reducing reliance on external borrowings, company lower than financial risk and economic fluctuations. Reputation, a company can increase its reputation when it is using its own capital in the form of retained earnings and without depending on debits and loans and without paying interest to them. And financial stable and investors and lenders and stakeholders, enhancing its credit worthiness. And disadvantages of blowing back of profit, in that opportunity cost and shareholders. In the main disadvantage is that shareholders may expect regular dividends on a return on their investment, because when the company has taking some certain percentage of profit in the business, because it is allotted to the dividend to the shareholders. This is also main disadvantages in blowing back of profit. And retain in their investment, retain earnings can reduce short-term shareholders and return, which could lead to dissatisfaction in stock price. Misuse of funds, there is a risk that management not use retained earnings efficiently, leading to poor investment decisions and excessive accountable of cash without a clear strategy. Dilution of control, a plowing back of a profit may also leads to new investment or acquisition. The original owners and stakeholders get dissatisfaction, and their company uh, control over the company. And the main conclusion of the plowing back of profit is fundamental strategy to the business growth and long-term growth, maintain financial stability and initiatives without depending on external fundings. And while it has significant advantage such as reduced financial risk and Self financing companies must balance their approach with the expectations of their shareholders, ensuring that retained earnings are used efficiently to enhance the owner's overall value. Property managed. It can be cornerstone of a company's financial strategy during sustainable growth and operational success. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.